Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this, basically, we are talking about the 20 percentage education error. Now, basically, we are going to talk about one topic, that is one of the person told that basically you are talking about that, you are talking about that, you are talking about this. Then one of the person told that what is your field basically. Then I told that basically I was working as a software project manager, but not getting the job here. Basically. So what is your who is basically the software companies basically? Then he told that why basically, because we want to know basically how many errors basically are there in your sector. So one of the person told that basically software companies in India. So he told that these all are the list of software companies basically which are basically in India. So he told that this is see basically TCS is number one basically, and TCS is basically in how many cities? See basically how many cities basically they are currently. In Vadodara also basically they are. Then basically he told that Infosys is there. Infosys is Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Wipro C basically. Wipro C, Pune. Then C Wipro. HCLC. HCL basically Tech Mahindra C. Then one of the person told that basically these all software companies are connected with the satellites. Then it is yes basically these all software energy basically are directly connected with the satellite basically. And currently the Earth planet is moving downside of me basically. They are connected with satellite. Yes basically currently Earth planet is moving downside of me basically. Currently where I am sitting at the downside basically the Earth planet is moving. Then he told them yes, just taking as an example, but really basically it might be moving at any location basically. Just taking as an example basically. Just taking as an example basically Earth planet is moving downside of Sunil Arnair. So he told that basically that means this entire software companies basically are connected with the satellites basically. They see basically the Tech Mahindra, the most dangerous company. Like this basically people says basically how basically they might be telling that I don't know. See basically Pune, see basically the Bangalore you see, L&T Infotech basically, Infotech technology basically. See basically Oracle see, Mindtree, LTI Mindtree. See emphasis basically. This is also basically company started just in front of me only basically. When I was in Mumbai basically. 3i Infotech that basically started. I was working here basically there that time only they started. See basically this whole company. CDEC. See with CMC basically. This is government company I think. See basically Cognizant. Cognizant also basically started just in front of me basically. With I think some 70-80 employees basically. There basically I had given the interview, but they have not taken me basically. So these all are the place. Then basically Colabra. This is also basically one of the company basically. This basically headquarter is in New Jersey I think. See. So one of the eClarex, see basically eClarex. eClarex also basically is one of the good company. Here also basically I think I have given interview here also basically, but they have not taken me. Reason basically might be some personal reason. Then basically the problem here KPIT. See basically the KPIT. KPIT see basically. This is also mostly basically semi-government company. Means government projects basically they have basically. So this group basically can understand this old video basically which I have uploaded actually. Mustech basically. Microsoft, that is basically big company basically. This all basically groups pay for the text box if they want to display the text box. For example, Microsoft project basically has created in .NET ASP that basically requires For example, I will take one example that would be clear. For example, Microsoft is one company, right? They basically have .NET, ASP, Visual Basic, like this many software basically are there. They have created many products also, we can say. So they basically are the service provider. That also you can say of the Microsoft products basically. So .NET is product, ASP is product, Visual Basic is, this all are basically product of the Microsoft basically. Then one of the person told that basically Microsoft basically .NET, this everything, lots of project basically are created from in this basically. Then he told that basically yes, basically assume that basically 20 crore projects are created in Microsoft. 20 crore projects basically are created in one project. Basically how many text boxes are used? So he told that basically minimum example we will take basically 20 crore multiply by 100 text box basically 20 crore, so it's more than 2000 crore basically. Then into the yes here basically, so 2000 crore basically text box are getting displayed in the Microsoft project basically. So for that basically they are paying the money to the subscription group basically, that is a text box subscription group basically, so that the text box will keep display in the website basically. Keep display means you can see the text box basically. The text box means which text box I am talking about. I will take that practical example also basically. What is that text box? Just see basically. Create account. Which text box I am talking? This text box you can see. Here basically we are typing. This text box I am talking about. So this text box to display in the website basically, the Microsoft Corporation have to pay the subscription amount basically in the form of some amount basically. That basically how much amount they are paying, that basically nobody can tell that. That basically only the sales department and the business development department and the group basically can tell. Even the accounts department can't say basically. Why? Because there are lots of things basically which account departments also don't know basically. Which accounts department? That is the chartered accountant groups basically. Reason? Chartered accountant is degree that basically which is created by set of groups basically, which is basically drawn certain level of boundaries that you can't go without, you can't basically go outside this boundary. So you have to play within this boundary only. That's why chartered accountant group also basically don't know few things basically. So like this basically Microsoft Corporation is also basically there. So like this basically, see basically these all are basically companies. See basically how many companies are there. So these all are the software companies, right? Then one of the person told that yes basically. So one of the person told that these all are the software companies. Then it told that yes basically. So how many each company basically might have created how many projects basically. Then one of the person told that that's very difficult here basically to tell which kind of question basically you are asking, because the error, education error is basically generated. So here basically we will give the name as a education error basically, that is into software. So one of the person told that basically how many software companies are there basically. So one of the person told that 1 lakhs big and small software companies are there, right? Then he told that okay. So this is one point. Then he told that okay basically. In this 1 lakh company, Microsoft, Oracle, then PHP, Python, then COBOL, Pascal, ASP, Microsoft basically ASP contains in this only basically. These all are basically the main company. How basically text box is the example basically, that is subscription. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this basically.